And here's a finish of the baked macaroni and cheese. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at those chicken pieces. Look at the finishing, how beautiful it is. Always remember to tell somebody to come over to Cooking with Miss Brown and see what I'm doing over here. Thank you so much for watching. Sauce is so lovely, so beautiful. And here I put the cheese and the macaroni, and I'm giving it a stir. Now I'm gonna put it in the baking tray, put some more cheese, and let it bake. So you will see the final result of this. So here I'm putting the macaroni in the baking tray. It's a lot. This baking tray is really small. Also, I'm gonna add some more cheese because I want it to be really cheesy and nice. So I'm gonna add some more cheese to this for sure before I put it in the oven. Here I have some Mexican cheese, which is 4-in-1, and here I have some cheddar jack. This is a dish that I also do every Christmas, but it's very nice. So I'm doing it today, January the 9th of January. The 9th of January. This is so creamy and nice, and it is well. This cheese, guys, the one that I mix the macaroni, it's well seasoned. Before I add the macaroni to the cheese sauce, I made it in butter. I add some garlic, onion, some jerk seasoning, a lot of seasoning I had to give it a nice flavor. So if you do it like that, you don't even need anything to eat this with. You can just eat it by itself. It doesn't need any meat or anything because it's well seasoned. I put peppers, every little thing, so it is well seasoned and nice. So you can try and make it, guys. First I add butter to the pot. Remember, I had some butter to the pot. Then I pour the seasoning. I put a little bit of flour for thickness, but you don't have to. If you have cornstarch, you can use it. To this I'm gonna add some more cheese, and I have some chicken pieces that I made in the oven like a jerk. I'm going to also put it on top of this. As you can see, it's so full. But because it is cheese, you know, it will hold together. You don't have to worry about it. Or you know, because it's cheesy, so it will hold together. I'm trying to pack it all, guys, but it's too full at the moment. Yes. So I'm just gonna work with that. I will macaroni. As I said, I have some chicken I'm gonna put on top. And there's the chicken pieces. And then it could only in one tray, so I have to put it in another small tray also. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then I'm gonna put it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Because basically everything is cooked here. It's just to melt the other cheese. Yes. So yes, guys, look how beautiful this is. Very nice. This is like a jerk chicken baked macaroni. Very nice. To that, I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese on top. As you know, I have to put the mozzarella cheese in. Mozzarella is everything for finishing. So I'm just putting some on top here. Guys, I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. Then the parsley flakes to make everything look pretty. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika on top just to pop the colors. Yes. To make it pop. Look. Imagine all this cheese is melting. Smelling so lovely. But I will show you when I come back, guys. I want to put this in the oven now.